Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to change opacity in Picsart. In order to change opacity in Picsart, you'll have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, now depending on how you adjust opacity, the object's skin looks completely or partly transparent. If you've got an image that you want to edit to look like that, now this is what you need to do it. First thing, you want to launch the Picsart. After then, upload an image by clicking on the plus icon or click the upload button. And then from the menu bar you want to select cutout. After you select that, you could tap on a person and the app will cut out the shape of the subject. Alternatively, tap on outline to do it yourself. Once you finish, hit the preview to see what the cutout image will look like, then click on next to save it as a sticker. Now you've now saved the image in my sticker. Next, you need to edit the window and upload a new image. You could use a nature, a city, anything you liked. Anything might look cool as a transparent background for your subject. Once you do this, you could select effect from the menu bar to add some and fun layer, then hit draw from the menu bar, and you could just go ahead and look for the photo icon in a plus sign and tap on it. Click on sticker, then click on my sticker, look for an image you've just cut out and tap on it. So this way you'll be able to make changes with your opacity. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.